Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio, play music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 BMW 1 Series using your mobile phone. So we go to Music, Apple Music, here we go. There's a record already there, but you'll see at the bottom, if I click there, that's on full blast, so that's a volume. You can either have iPhone speaker or it's connected to this BMW. That's what I want, the BMW, so that's working fine. This is it. We'll click play. Now go to media. That's on radio, so we click media again. That gives you then the choice of Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, Spotify, an app, but I want that. That's what's playing. If I turn this up now, that's how you play music.